Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a workflow app in AppSheet with approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate a build a workflow app in AppSheet with approvals, start by logging into your AppSheet. Navigate to the AppSheet dashboard and select Create a new app. Choose a suitable data source for your app, such as Google Sheets or Excel. Once your app is created, visit the Data tab to set up the necessary tables for your work. Ensure that you have a table for requests and another for approvals. Next, go to the UX tab to customize the layout of your app. Design your view for requests, making sure to include fields for users to submit their requests. Now, create an approval view where reviewers can see all pending requests. Head to the Automation tab to set up the workflow. Click on Create a new bot to start your automation process. Define a name for your bot that reflects its purpose, such as Approval Process. Under the When This Happens section, choose the event that triggers the approval, like when a new request is added. Then, add an action in the Do This section to notify the assigned approver. You can use email or in-app notifications to inform them of new requests needing approval. Next, set a condition to determine when a request moves to the approval stage. This condition might include checking the status of the request field. Now, create another bot to handle the actual approval process. In this new bot, specify the event to trigger it, which can be when an approval button is clicked. Define actions that will change the status of the request upon receiving approval or denial. Make sure to notify the original requester of the outcome of the approval process. Review your workflow for any errors or adjustments needed to ensure smooth operation. Once complete, test your app by submitting a sample request. Check both the request and approval views to ensure everything works as expected. After confirming functionality, finalize your app settings and prepare for deployment. Your Build a Workflow app with approvals is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.